Alexandre Frédéric Joly here, aka Coach AF. I'm before you today in nature, almost in nature, in downtown Cancun Central. I'm very happy to brought to light, slowly but surely, my new program, my new system to help enterprise of any size, team within the enterprise of any size, and also individual that would like to upgrade, to pass to a higher potential, a next level of bringing coaching, scrum mastering, and even more. This called Next Level Agile Coaching. And yours truly is launching it after 5 years of refinement, of lessons learned, of improvement with my brand Agile Lounge that I created in 2016, aiming to provide client and consultancy and coaching of innovative and exclusive training experience. And we did so because all of our workshop and the next level agile coaching will make sure that if you choose within that system the workshop of the next level agile coaching, we are creating these kind of practical workshop where you learn everything about agility and even moreover business agility, because I think it's time to make you realize and to invite you, to welcome you and to the business agility, which is, and with enterprise scrum in a sense, because enterprise scrum, one of the definition is to bring agilize everything in the organization of any size, and to have people adopting a mindset of continuous evolution and improvement. Okay, so that's the aim goal of this new system and this new product, and I'm really pleased to launch it slowly but surely. And this Wednesday, by the way, the March 17th, we are recording it on the 16th of March. This Wednesday I'm doing a pilot. I have 2 places left, so watch the link in the description or an Instagram in the bio to reserve your spot. It's free. We are going to actually practice one of our ways of doing this coactive coaching for the individual of any experience that will share and togetherness their issue, their question. So it will be facilitated by me. So I invite you to test it. And one of the things also that we are going to offer, this is a very important key element, because we realize in our consultancy mandate, especially with the coaching, facilitation, and the training with the innovative workshop that we provide you, that next level coaching to the enterprise of any size will offer an on-demand open contract of coaching, because we think it's time to say out loud, after our 5 years experience, even with state-owned enterprise, we achieve it. I did a mandate, not full-time, to an organization that it's a state-owned organization, and really, really stiff, really this, and we negotiate with them the possibility of being called on demand, because we don't think an agile coach or a business agility coach or an enterprise coach is needed full-time. There's ways, and this is beneficial because the CFO of your enterprise will love you for that. So it's an open contract, an incremental contract. We are here with you on demand. So this is a novelty for some, but it should be something normal. So, and if we evaluate that, yes, you'll need a coach for a full-time week for certain times, so let's do it. So we're gonna practice what we preach, what we teach you, and we're gonna also test how much agile you would like to become, because that's the key thing, having your coach full-time for a first cycle, because you need to train a lot of people depending on your context. So it's always adapted to your context. So next level agile coaching, it will be for enterprise of any size, teams within enterprise of any size, individual on one-on-one and group innovative coaching and coactive coaching to improve their skills and their way they propose value to their client as well. So you are invited. I'm welcoming you. So again, on Instagram, the link will be in the bio. Right now, if you watch it in March, it's the first link and the link tree to cast your free call with me to elaborate your strategy of using that system of next level agile coaching by the Agile Lounge. So I thank you very much and see you soon on Zoom. I can't wait to start your journey into the next level agile with business agility and Agile Lounge. Cheers, guys.